basic. Just pull this back, close it. Got the iron sights, take it off safety, and aim for your target. And shoot. Sometimes the gun will get jammed and you have to shake it a little. You see the bullet right in here. Now, we got this gun. Got the scope on it. So first we're gonna pull back our bolt, wait for a BB to fall in there, and push our bolt forward. Then we're gonna take it, pump it, 1, 2. To kill a bird, probably have to go to around 7. For a rabbit, I'd say 10. So we're gonna shoot that pig in the face. This gun is easier to use because of the scope. Thanks for watching.